present perfect continuous tense, right? So let's first of all learn its forms, that which form of the verb we use in this tense, right? So first of all, the positive form. The present perfect continuous is the present tense of have been plus an ing form. For example, here with I, you, we, they, and all the plurals we use have. So I have been waiting, you have been waiting, we have been waiting, they have been waiting, right? So we'll use have been with these words plus an ing form of the verb, and with he, she, it, and the singulars we use has been waiting. He has been waiting, she has been waiting, it has been waiting, right? And the negative is formed by adding not to the helping verb, right? And the question is formed by taking the helping verb in front of the subject. So this is the form of this verb. Let's move to our, now let's understand it but better. How present perfect continuous tense is different from other tenses. So you see, we use the present perfect continuous for an action over a period of time leading up to the present. Now note down here, look at this diagram. So this shows the working of the present perfect continuous tense. So you see, this is the present moment. So any action that started in the past and is still continuing up to the present moment, we use present perfect continuous tense for such actions, right? Once again, see here, here is the present moment, and before this present moment is the past, and after this you see point is the future. So this tense has nothing to do with the future. So this tense is used for those actions that started in the past, here, anywhere, and those actions continue to happen till the present moment. So we use present perfect continuous for such things or such actions. Here are the examples. We have been waiting here for 20 minutes. It means 20 minutes ago you started waiting and still you are waiting. So it means you have been waiting here for 20 minutes. Second, listen, that burglar alarm has been ringing since 8 o'clock this morning. So again, the burglar's alarm started ringing at 8 o'clock and it is still ringing, right? So this is present perfect continuous. Here we use, note down, we use for and since and how long and recently, right? For, since, how long and recently expressions in this tense. Let's see how. We can use the present perfect continuous with for and since. Here, my sister has been staying with me for 3 weeks now. You have been playing on that computer since 7 o'clock, right? We use how long in questions. Note down, how long is used in questions. इसका मतलब होता है कितनी देर से. How long have you been waiting? कितनी देर से इंतजार कर रहे हो तुम? And note also recently and lately. Those both mean in the last few days or weeks. So I haven't been feeling very well recently. Here recently means for the past few days. What have you been doing lately? So आप recently कैसे कुछ दिनों से क्या कर रहे हो? तो this is a little bit about present perfect continuous, all the basic information that you need about present perfect continuous. Now here, come to this point, for and since. When to use for and when to use since. Note down, when you have the starting point of an action given to you, then you will use since. For example, here, starting point of the beginning of an action. 7 o'clock. In such cases you will use since, and for simple duration of period of time you will use for, right? So this you will understand with practice. So let's practice a little bit about this tense, right? Now here is first exercise. Here you see you have to fill all the blanks using present perfect continuous. Here is an example. This is the already filled blank. So using this hint you have to fill the blank with present perfect continuous tense. Okay, I am pausing the video, and at the end of the video we'll check your answers, right? So students, I would recommend you to pause the video and then do all these exercises and check the answers only at the end. Okay, so let's do the next exercise. Here, practice exercise 2. Now, this is a bit tough, note down. What could you say in these situations? Write sentences with the present perfect continuous and a phrase with for. Note down, you will use for only. Use these verbs. So here are the hints: play, read, swim, talk, travel, work. So a video, now here is the example. See, first, a video is on. It began 2 hours ago and it hasn't finished yet. So the answer is the video has been playing for 2 hours. So now this is an example for you. Now you have these three questions: first, second, three, four, rather 5 questions. Do them in the same manner in which the example was done. Okay, so I am giving you 4 to 5 minutes, so you can also pause the video until you write all the sentences. Now let's check the answers, right? So here are the answers: 5 plus 5, 10, and the checking instructions are: for each correct answer you will tick and give yourself 1 mark, right? And for each wrong answer you will cross and give yourself 0 marks. So let's see how many marks did you get out of 10. Now check yourself.